Alright, adding and subtracting fractions. Let's start off with an easy. So, what we have here is 1 out of 6 plus 2 out of 6. This one's easy. We put these together and we're going to see that we got 3 parts out of 6. And we could even draw that. So draw my circle, cut it into 6 equal parts, and then shade it in. We got the 1 red part and then the 2 blue ones. We've put them together and we see that we get 3 out of 6. Now it gets a little bit harder when the pieces don't have the same denominators. Then how do we put them together? So in this case we've got 1 out of 4 plus 1 out of 6. The last problem was easy because the denominators were the same. Now the denominators are different. So if we could make them the same, that would make it so much easier. So this is where least common multiple comes in. We think about what numbers are multiples of 4. 4, 8, 12, so on. Then we look at multiples of 6. Those are 6, 12, 18, so on. Well, we can see that our common multiple is 12. So we want to change both of these fractions to having denominators of 12. Well, how do we change a 4 into a 12? When we multiplied it, we skip counted 3 times. And if we do it to the denominator, we have to do it to the top to be fair. So 1/4 is the same as 3/12. Now, let's do 1/6. Well, 6 times 2 becomes a 12, and if we want to be fair, we got to multiply that one by 2 in the numerator. So this one has a numerator of 12. So our answer is going to be 5/12. Alright, here's another one. This one's a subtraction. And the nice thing about adding and subtraction is that the rules are the same. You just have to subtract instead of add. You still need to find common denominators. So, let's skip count by 7s. You're going to see that that's going to be 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56. Skip count for 8s. You're going to see that's 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56. So our least common multiple is 56. So our fractions need to be out of 56. So to make it a 56, that had to be 7 times 8. This had to be 3 times 8 to be fair. So this one's 24 out of 56. This one, to make 56, is times 7. This is times 7. So we got the two new fractions are 24 out of 56 minus 7 out of 56. Which, let me erase this and get some space, is going to be equal to 17 out of 56.